Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add color page border in Microsoft Publisher document. So get ready started. At first open your Publisher document. In this video, I will show add color page border. Now going to the insert menu option. Then for click. Now click for it. Draw text box. Now create a text box all page. Now add color page border. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape outline option. Now choose color. Now choose color from yellow color, then again click for shape outline and click for a widget option. Then I choose from 6pt. That's it. Then I show add color page border, then again change color. Now going to the format menu option, then click for a shape outline. Now I choose red color. That is. Then I show add color page border in Microsoft Publisher is very easily. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.